is amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat-free Monday, and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch, and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love, and now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. All right guys, so basically I got fresh mint, ginger, lime, green tea right here. So all of these I'm going to be using to make a beautiful cup of tea. Very good to ease the stomach and also very good for bloating and gas. Right here, this is the most powerful bit. You can just use this only. Next thing, we're promoting weight loss and detoxing also. Stick around, don't go anywhere. I'm going to show you how to make it from start to finish. Okay. So the first thing what we're gonna do is pour 1 cup of hot water. Into the pot. Okay? 1 cup of hot water. A little bit more. Excellent. The beautiful thing is that, alright, you want to see it boil a little bit. So 1 cup of hot water, and that's the book right there. So you want to leave it for a few minutes. Yeah, a few minutes, and then we're going to put in the ingredients. Excellent. So the first thing what we're going to get to put into this, guys, okay, we're going to grab the ginger. This is the ginger, a few slices of ginger into the water, just like that. Get the lemon, or no, lime. We're going to put the lime straight into the water, like that. We're going to leave it for a few minutes, okay? Yeah. Leave it for a few minutes, and then after a few minutes we're going to simply take it, the rest of the ingredients to put to it. Yeah, but the mint is the most important bit inside of it. Yeah. So this is the ginger and the lime. Okay, so that's the first thing you want to do right here. And what you want to do, turn off the heat. Okay, leave that to stabilize. Now get the fresh mint. We're gonna add the mint to the liquid. So that's the mint in the water. Excellent. So we're gonna add some green tea bag towards it, but you're just pouring it from the bag. We're not gonna put this inside of it. Okay? And I wanna give that a mix. Excellent. So that's the way it looks. So we're gonna remove it from the heat. Okay? Wanna remove it from the heat, guys. We don't wanna boil it. Excellent. So you guys can see exactly what I'm doing in the kitchen this time. All right. Excellent. Would you make this at home, guys? Let me know. Please let me know if you would have made this at home, okay? Because this is fresh mint with ginger, lime, and green tea bag. Wow, amazing recipe. All right, so it is something totally different for you guys this evening, okay? Yeah, man. So what you can do, okay, is strain it and drink it. All right, yeah, man, just strain it and drink it. Now you want to drink this 2 times a day or 3 times a day, as much as you can. Very powerful. The best time to drink it is in the morning on an empty stomach. Also, you can drink it before you go to your bed, like tonight. Okay, so hope you guys will enjoy it, and tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, and get yourself a copy of the book From Poverty to Purpose. All right, guys, a good vibes. And here it is. Here it is, right here. Okay. So we pour it off. Excellent. All right. Okay. Yeah. Good vibes. That's it, guys. Yeah, man. So you guys can drink this 2 to 3 times a day, as much as you can. Very powerful cup of tea. All right. Yeah. So whatever you guys are doing, yeah, man. So that's it right there, guys. All right. Finish and done and dusted. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, and get yourself a copy of the book From Poverty to Purpose. All right. Yeah. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. See you guys.